Hi everybody, I'm forced to laugh to myself. When I listen back to some of these videos, I do think I sound as though I've got somebody else's teeth in, but I promise you, these are my own. Anyway, today it's for Dorothy on Instagram, who's asked me for cherry clafoutis. So let's have a go. After stoning these fresh cherries, I'm going to leave them to soak for a couple of hours in a little amaretto, almond extract and some icing sugar. And then I'm making the batter. I'm making this one gluten-free. I'm making it with corn flour, and this cream goes in there, eggs and lemon zest. And then I'm lining an oven-proof pudding plate with my lining paste, in with the cherries, and then I'm going to pour over the batter. And so that I can cut this clafoutis in clean, neat slices, I'm going to bake it in a bain-marie for 45 minutes. And this is a superb yet simple dessert.